You can easily import data into Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2011 using Microsoft Excel spreadsheets. Here I have a list of prospect records that I want to import into CRM. In CRM, the first thing to do is to create a new view, and we can use that view as a template for the data in Excel. So I'm going to click on View, Create Personal View, and then select the columns that we want to import from our source data. In this case, we have some source data containing typical account information, so I'm going to add the city, the first and second line of the address, and the postcode, and also we'll import the relationship type. In this case, we are dealing with prospect records, so we'll set the pick list value for the account. I can click on OK. I'm just going to change the ordering of my columns to match our file and remove any unwanted columns from the view. And there we have it, that's about right. So we have account name, address line 1 and 2, city, postcode, the telephone number and the relationship type. So I'm going to click on OK and save this new view for our data import. So in Microsoft Dynamics CRM, we can see the result of our new view and export the view and use this as a template to import our records. So we click on Excel, select Static Worksheet and click the Export button, and I'm going to save this spreadsheet onto my computer and use this as a template for the import. So we now have two spreadsheets, the source data with my prospect information here, and another spreadsheet containing our template view. So I'm going to open up the template as well and remove the existing Microsoft Dynamics CRM data and just check the column ordering matches our source file. So we have account name, street 1, 2, city, postcode, main phone and relationship type, and in our source data we have account name, street 1, 2, city, main phone, postcode, relationship type. So we've got this column to move just to the left there. So now that we have our matching records, I'm going to simply copy and paste these into my template and then we'll double check that everything tallies up. So we have account name, street line 1, 2, city, postcode, main phone and relationship type. I'm going to save my spreadsheet as a CSV file and then use the wizard in Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2011 to import this data. So I'm just going to save this onto my PC again and select CSV file. We can now come out of Excel and click on Import Data to bring in our prospects. So I'm going to browse to my file and click Next. I'm going to ask Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2011 to automatically map the source data into the Microsoft Dynamics CRM account entity. So I'm going to tell the wizard that we are importing accounts and click Next. And Microsoft Dynamics CRM will automatically try and map the source fields to the fields in Microsoft Dynamics CRM, and you can see it's done a good job of doing that. Based on the column headings that we provided, it has automatically mapped the account name, city, and all of the address fields. It will also import the relationship type, value, if it can find a match in CRM. You can click to change the default mappings if necessary. So I'm going to click Next. And finally, you can select whether or not duplicate detection should take place, and you could save this data map for reuse in future. I'm going to submit the data import job, and then this should run in the background, and providing everything is okay, it will import our prospects into Microsoft Dynamics CRM. So I'm going to click on the imports link here. And you can see it is currently beginning the import process. Just going to refresh my view. And there we can see it's completed. If we view the details of the import job, we can see which records were created and whether or not there were any errors. And we can see that it's created all of these account records. So back in my accounts view in Microsoft Dynamics CRM, we should see our new imported data.